And due to popular demands, here's a few Blender add-ons that would allow you rig easily and also animate your models. And for those who are thinking about getting started with rigging or probably animation, we also have a couple of tutorials that can also get you up to speed. And with that said, let's get right into it. One of the popular creators that have made amazing tools that everyone loves is Addons. Addons, the creator of Auto Rig Pro, but the Quick Rig and the Full Rig actually has a couple of things that can get you going. By default, if you're thinking about creating characters, which you can easily use in both Unreal Engine, Godot, or maybe Unity, then you might want to consider taking a look at this one, as this simply allows you to rig your objects faster by simply placing points on several parts of the model and hitting the rig button to automatically rig it. This uses a watertight geometry approach for skinning your object and getting better results. It is fully modular, which means you can use this to create both extra limbed objects and also various additional character types. Addons has actually taken the time to make this tool super nice, which makes it the first choice that everyone seems to lean towards if they're trying to get started into rigging. So if you're wondering about how you can rig that finger IK or joint IKs and simply create your rigs faster and also make rigs for different models, which is fully modular and has all of the properties that you want, then you might want to consider going over to Addons page where you can find all of the products that actually makes rigging easy. And if you're also in the market looking for something that the folks at Blender have actually used in making their open movies, then BlendRig is the add-on for you. BlendRig is totally free, which means that you can go in, download it, and use it. You don't need to pay a price for this one as it's totally free, but you can also tip the creator if this is something that you're into. The cool thing about BlendRig is this is film quality rigs, which means that these rigs have been tested, trusted, and even used by the folks at Blender Foundation for creating amazing animations. This rig also comes with a couple of features, which includes the mesh deform, the pre-weighted, the advanced facial rigs, automatic generation of shape keys and drivers, some seamless editing of rig actions to define predefined nodes, and a sculpt tool for seamless editing of the model that you're working with. This also has future plans to integrate tools that deals with mocap, different rig types, some modular rigs, and also game compatible workflow. So if you're thinking about starting off with rigging and you'd like to get something that is totally free, then you can start off with the BlendRig 6. XMuscle is a Blender add-on that has been designed for a rapid muscular system, tissue, and organic object creation and their physical simulation. The main purpose of this add-on is for anyone to visualize better skin deformation and get some preserved volumes when deforming their model. Due to the popularity and effectiveness of this tool has made its way to the Epic Mega Grant. It also comes with a couple of interesting features, which includes animatable muscle parameters for both size, properties, settings, and also controllers. You can automatically attach this to joint. There's a physical-based tissue simulation, which includes jiggling of the muscle to simulate fat in particular areas of the body, and it supports a majority of amateur tools, which includes Rigify, the Auto Rig Pro, which we've just mentioned, and also BlendRig 6. With a couple of real-time executions, flexors, and also extender muscle types, this just simply makes you creating that muscle for your model super cool. So if you're in the market thinking about tools that you can use to create muscles, then you might want to consider taking a look at XMuscle System version 4.0 and see all of the cool things that it has to offer. And once you're done rigging, the next thing you will probably want to do is to animate this model. And animating these models comes with a couple of interesting things, and this is where animation layer comes in very handy. Animation layers from Tile Hitchcock allows you to animate and layer up your animation very easily in Blender. So this is one of those features that are currently not available in Blender. Tile Hitchcock has actually made this very possible for anyone to animate and layer up. Version 2 comes with a couple of interesting features, which just simply makes you creating your animations and layering them super easy. More so, Tile Hitchcock has also created an animation toolbox. The animation toolbox is a beautiful tool that just comes with all of the necessary set of tools that you'll be needing for your animation. So whether you're thinking about offsetting your keyframes, baking your constraint, baking your controllers, or chain controls, the animation toolbox just has all of what you need. So if you're in the market looking for an animation layer or an animation toolbox, then Tile Hitchcock is the guy for you. An amazing creator that has made every single thing that you need to work within your graph editor quite easy is BlastFrame. BlastFrame has created a couple of interesting things, which includes the Go panel, the Ultimate Animator bundle, which ships with the Delete Static channel, the keys, the key selected object, and also the Graph Kit. With the Graph Kit making it very easy for you to do some amazing things directly within your graph editor. And this includes the Simplify, Distribute, Flatten Holds, Overlap, Fade, Perfect Loop, Randomize, Range to Loop, Repeat, and also Twin. These are very cool stuff that anyone that is thinking about working with a graph editor would definitely find cool, and you can find all of this right here within the Ultimate Animator bundle. And when we talk about the graph editor, Graph Pilot from Khalid is also a nice one, as this prized to be a perfect solution for easing keyframes in Blender without the graph editor. as one would be able to adjust the F-curves handle and create smooth animations with ease. And this ships with about 26 presets, which you can use to control how you like the ease in and ease out of your animation to be. And it also ships with the edit multiple keyframes feature, which also allows anyone to select all the keyframes that they want and edit their ease all at once. There's also multiple object support and some advanced options for anyone that is into this. So if you've been thinking about how you can ease in and ease out your animations automatically without all of the stress of working with the graph editor, then the Graph Pilot is currently available. And if you're into facial animation, then you might probably have heard about FaceIT. FaceIT is a facial expression and performance capture animation tool. The idea behind this tool is for you to be able to take advantage of your mobile device and animate your facial performance directly in Blender. This comes with a couple of rigs that takes advantage of the ARKit performance capture, which you can do on your characters in minutes. This is easy to set up, and it comes with a couple of parameters that will just simply let you start animating your character, define your expressions, and also create custom expressions for the model that you're working with. There's also an audio to face motion capture system, and there's a powerful retargeting set of tools that also comes with this. So if you're in the market looking for something that is fully non-destructive and offers a couple of interesting features for anyone who is thinking about animating their character's facial performance with the ARKit, then FaceIT is right here, and a huge shout out to FBRA for making this possible. And some more interesting tools that I believe a lot of people might also want to take a look at is KeyMesh Too. So we already talked about KeyMesh, which is an iconic tool that was made available by Pablo Dubarro some time ago. And we did talk about all of the cool things that KeyMesh can actually let you do. This allows you to animate your characters really easy when sculpting them. So now this is currently available for anyone who is thinking about grabbing it. And it is pretty interesting what this tool has to offer. So if you're in the market and you're looking for the free one, then you can go over to the free section where you can download it on Nikki's page. So if you like to get this, all you need to do is dial the value 0, and then you can simply click on I want it and give this a try before you purchase. Another cool tool which I think a lot of animators might also want to take a look at is Grab It. Grab It from Zane Studios allows animators to attach objects to other objects really quickly. Of course, this can be done natively in Blender, but this add-on just simply makes it super quick and easy for you to do it. As all you need to do is select the two objects that you want to attach and click on Grab It, and this will stay attached exactly how you want it. And at any point in time you don't want them to be attached as well, you can also turn this off with a click of a button. So you can simply drop, parent, and also grab any object at any point in time when animating them. So this is it. All of the tools that you need for rigging your models are now available, and you can simply go over to the link in the description and check them out. Also, if you're thinking about how to get started with rigging, then you might want to consider taking a look at learning how to rig anything in Blender Fundamental from the folks at Sage Cookie, or you might want to consider taking a look at the Act of Effective Rigging in Blender by P2 Design. So all of these are going to be in the description just in case you like to see them. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.